There are a lot of factors to consider when you want to buy a home, but one of the most important is timing. So, when is the best time to buy a home? Here's what you need to know. What month do most houses go on the market? If you're hoping to find a home with certain features like a jacuzzi or outdoor fire pit, know that more homes are typically available during the spring and summer. In fact, from April to May of 2022, there was 120,000 additional housing listings nationwide, the biggest growth rate all year. This number continued increasing each month into the summer months. By July, there was 1.31 million listings total. Unfortunately, spring is also the most competitive time of year to buy a house, and usually house prices are at their highest. In 2022, house prices increased by $15,600 from February to March, and they continued to increase to their highest price of the year at $413,800 in June. However, if you want more options and you can budget for it, then it might be worth shopping for a home during this period. What is the cheapest month to buy a house? Home prices are more affordable in winter than any other season. In fact, according to research, January 2022 had the lowest median home price at $354,300. So if getting the best deal is important to you, you might want to think about buying a home in the winter months. Usually during winter, real estate hibernates because fewer houses are for sale during the hectic holiday season. In 2021, from November to December, there was the largest drop in homes for sale. 230,000 less homes were on the market. With such low inventory available, and considering some regions have cold weather and snow, it might be tough to find a house with all of your desired features. Should you buy a home now? It may be more advantageous for you to buy now than later, given that most real estate data points and housing market forecasts suggest home values will rise over the next several years. However, it all depends on your financial situation. Home prices aren't increasing as fast as they have been in recent years, which is good news. Inventories are rising slowly, and higher mortgage rates might reduce buyer competition. So individuals who are prepared could take advantage of today's market conditions to buy a house. Before we discuss how to know if you are financially ready to buy a home, make sure you subscribe and click the bell. That way you'll be the first to see my next money-making video. Are you ready to buy a home? The best time to buy a home really depends on you. So here are some questions you should ask yourself to see if you really are financially ready to buy a house. Do you have an emergency fund? Are you debt-free? Do you have a big down payment saved up? Can you handle the maintenance costs? If you answered yes to all of the questions, then chances are you are ready to buy a home. And if you are financially ready, you might want to consider buying your home right now. Click the video on the screen to see another money-making video.